This is an introductory class about cost accounting. The learning objectives are to know about the cost accounting, the relationship among financial and cost accounting, the objectives and advantages of cost accounting. To understand the concept of cost accounting, we need to know the branches of accounting. We are going to discuss the three main branches of the accounting. The first is financial accounting. Financial accounting is mainly concerned with recording, classifying and summarizing financial transactions in accordance with the generally accepted principles of accounting, that is GAAP. We record the transactions into journal, we classify them into ledger and summarize them in the trial balance. The financial accounting records cash and credit both the transactions of a business according to the nature of the expenditure and income, so that trading account, P&L account may be prepared for the concerned period, balance sheet which shows the financial position of the business at a point of time, statement of sources and applications, and the statement of cash flow which reveal the flow of funds and uses of funds during the period. Now, the meaning of cost accounting. Cost accounting explains the cost of production for product or a service according to its components per unit as well as total. Cost accounting is a specialized branch of accounting which involves classification, accumulation, analysis, assignment and control of cost. Management accounting may be that part of the accounting which provides information for planning and control to the management. All the information regarding organization which are useful to the management may be safely called as the subject matter of the management accounting. Now we need to know about the relationship between financial accounting and cost accounting. As we know that cost accounting and financial accounting both are basically based on double entry system. Both these are supplementary to each other. We can say the financial accounting and cost accounting are the branches of accounting system, but there are some differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. The point of differences are purpose. Financial accounting, the purpose of financial accounting is to tell about profit and loss and financial position of the business to owners and outside parties like creditors, bankers, tax authorities, etc. But the purpose of cost accounting is to provide detailed cost information to the management for the proper planning, operation, control and decision making. The other point of difference is recording. Financial accounting is classified, records and analyzes the transactions in a subjective manner, means according to the nature of the expense. This classification is known as primary classification. But in cost accounting, it records the transaction and classifies them in an objective manner, that is accounting to the purpose for which costs are incurred. The other point of difference is control. Under financial system, greater control is kept on cash movement, that is receipt and payment of cash. But in cost accounting, the greater control is on material, labor and overhead. The wastage of these elements is minimized to keep the cost of production under control. The next point of difference is periodicity of reporting. Financial accounts are prepared at the end of the year, but cost accounting aims at continuous reporting of cost data and related information for management use at short intervals like daily, weekly and monthly, etc. The next point of difference is information. In financial accounting, the information is provided only in monetary terms, like only in terms of money. But in cost accounting, the information is both monetary as well as non-monetary, that is units, job, contract, per passenger kilometer, etc. The next point of difference is fixing of selling price. The objective of the maintenance of financial accounting is not the fixation of selling price, but cost accounts provide sufficient information before and after the production of goods or services and under various market conditions. The next point of difference is analysis of profit. Financial accounting accounts disclose the gross profit or net profit for the whole business at the end of the year, but cost accounts disclose the profit or loss for each unit, job or process. Moreover, the profits can be estimated before the production on the basis of the predetermined overhead rates. Hope now you are able to understand both the accounting. Now we are going to discuss the objectives of cost accounting. The main objective of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost. With the help of cost accounting, cost per unit of a product, job or process is calculated. For calculating cost of the product or services, various methods like unit costing, contract costing, job costing, etc. are applied. The technique of ascertaining cost is known as costing. The next objective is cost control. Cost control is reducing the cost of production by controlling the wastage of material, labor and other expenses. Next is determination of selling price. Cost accounting has the main object to help in fixation of selling price of the product or service, not only in normal condition but also under various stressing market conditions. To fix the selling price, various factors like cost of production, market situation, business cycle, government policies, competition, changing fashion, income level of the people do play their role. The next objective is to ascertain the profitability. This is the main objective. Profitability means capacity to earn profit of a department, section, product, job or a process or service. This capacity can be judged with the help of cost data provided by the cost accounting. So our next objective is to provide a base for setting business policies. Yes, cost accounting helps to provide accurate cost information. These cost data help the management in making short-term and long-term business policies to be followed, like to introduce a new product or a new method, how to use the idle capacity if there remains any, make or buy decisions regarding a product, etc. Now the next objective is inter-firm comparison. Cost accounting helps in making comparison of cost or profit of one firm with the other operating in the same industry. The next objective is control on wastage. Cost accounting can explain the source of wastage in the elements of cost like material, labor and other expenses, and thus can save the national factor of the production. Our next objective is to minimize capital in stock. Cost accounting through various techniques like various level of stock, analysis of slow moving material, continuous stock taking can decide the objective to minimize the investment of capital in stock of raw material, work in progress or finished goods. Our next objective is to effective information system. The objective of cost accounting is to prepare regular reports regarding material, labor and other expenses and to communicate those reports at the effective level of management to make them effective. Our last objective but not the least is internal audit system. The objective of the cost accounting is to develop internal audit system which may help in effective working of different departments of the organization. Now we talk about the advantage of cost accounting. The cost accounting is advantageous to management, employees, society and nation. The cost accounting is advantageous to management in various ways, like it helps in formulating business policies, identification of profitable and unprofitable activities of the organization. It helps in making comparison, help in controlling cost of production, etc. The cost accounting is advantageous to employees in many ways, like it defines their better wages, distinction between efficient and inefficient worker, higher standard of living, social recognition of the worker, low labor turnover rate. Cost accounting is advantageous to society too. Society is benefited to a large extent by the application of cost accounting system in the factory through better quality product are made available to the consumer at the lowest possible prices. Workers of the factory are the part of the society and happy workers make the society more happy. Our next advantage to the nation, an organization earning better profits can flow back and does not depend upon the outside agency for its financial requirement. Better use of the available factors of production makes the nation economically powerful and progressive. Thank you.